Have you ever made a purchase and waited with bated breath for the payment to go through? That heart-stopping moment when you wonder, did it go through? Did it not? It's a universal feeling, isn't it? Today, we're diving into the world of digital payments, specifically focusing on Chime. How long does it actually take for Chime to process a payment? Let's find out. Before we dive into the specifics, let's quickly understand what factors can influence payment processing times. Generally, there are three primary players in this game: you, the merchant, and the payment processor, in this case, Chime. Each of them has a role to play, and any hiccup in their process can lead to delays. Think of it like a relay race. You pass the baton, your payment information, to the merchant, who then passes it to the payment processor, Chime. Chime then passes it to the card network, Visa, MasterCard, etc., and finally, the funds reach the recipient. If any runner drops the baton, the whole process slows down. Chime's payment processing. Now, let's talk about Chime. Chime is known for its speed when it comes to many transactions. Deposits often hit your account instantly, and transfers between Chime members are usually rapid. But what about purchases? Instant transactions. For many debit card purchases, Chime aims to process payments instantly. This means as soon as you swipe or tap your card, the funds are authorized. However, it's essential to remember that authorized doesn't always equate to completed. Pending transactions. Sometimes, you might see a pending transaction on your account. This doesn't mean the payment is declined. It's essentially a placeholder until the merchant finalizes the sale. These pending transactions usually clear within a few days. Factors affecting processing time. While Chime strives for speed, several factors can influence processing times. These include: type of purchase. Online purchases might take slightly longer than in-store transactions due to additional verification steps. Merchant processing speed. How quickly the merchant processes the payment can impact the overall time. Weekend and holidays. Payments processed on weekends or holidays may experience delays due to reduced banking operations. Network issues. Technical glitches in the payment network can cause temporary disruptions. Dispelling myths. Let's clear up some common misconceptions about Chime payment processing. Myth 1. Chime payments always take longer than other banks. This isn't necessarily true. While there might be slight variations, Chime generally processes payments efficiently. Myth 2. Pending transactions mean a declined payment. As mentioned earlier, pending transactions are normal and usually clear within a few days. Myth 3. Chime has frequent processing issues. While no system is perfect, Chime has a solid reputation for reliable payment processing. Tips for faster payments. Here are a few tips to help ensure smoother payment processing. Keep your account updated. Ensure your contact information and account details are accurate. Sufficient funds. Always make sure you have enough funds in your account to cover the purchase. Check merchant reviews. Sometimes, delays can be attributed to the merchant's processing speed. Checking reviews can give you an idea. Contact Chime support. If you encounter persistent issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Chime's customer support. While there's no exact, one-size-fits-all answer to the question how long does it take Chime to process a payment, we can confidently say that Chime generally aims for speed and efficiency. However, various factors can influence processing times. By understanding these factors and following the tips we've shared, you can minimize delays and enjoy a smoother payment experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.